Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a get it all done because that is exactly what I need to do today. I have a long to-do list and only so much time to get it done in. So I have already ordered groceries. That was one of the first things on my list. Let's see. So we've got order groceries. I've already done that. I need to take down our summer decor, which is like our 4th of July stuff, but I just kind of leave it up all summer long because it's pretty like neutral, just summer decor. I need to just do a quick dust when I take everything down, vacuum, wipe down the bathrooms. I desperately need to mop. I need to pick up our groceries at 2. I'm hoping to get all this done before this. It's just kind of out of order, but I have a basket of laundry to fold. I have the dishwasher to empty. The dishwasher is running now from breakfast this morning, and the kids need to tidy their rooms. Their rooms are atrocious, so they have till 11 o'clock. They're watching Ricky, Nikki, and Dawn and playing in Layton's room. So I told them they had the last hour, but I'm like, you have 3 more minutes and it is time to get down to business. So first things first, I am going to go around and I am going to gather all of my summer decor. I already grabbed the bin from the attic. I'm not decorating for fall just yet. I'll probably do that next week. But I just wanted to kind of, I like to have like a week off between the decorations and all that, just like have a clear space for a little bit. I'm not even gonna put anything else up in its place. There's not that much around, mainly like the mantle and the dining room and stuff like that. But I don't go crazy. So I'm gonna have all of that taken down. We are going to reset everything. And then, like I said, next week we will, we're gonna go out and get a few new things for fall. But I'll look and see what I have first. I don't always, sometimes I get like 1 or 2 new things every year just to kind of change things up. But we are gonna get all of this summer stuff taken down. But if you guys have not yet subscribed, make sure you do. I have tons of cleaning, organizing, like what I eat in a day videos. I'm currently like on a weight loss journey. I'm trying to lose 20 pounds, 20 more pounds. I was trying to lose about 25. I am down about 6 pounds, so I've got about 19, 20 pounds more to go. Obviously, we always fluctuate, so. But if that is something you guys are interested in, make sure you are subscribed, and I better get to work.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
All right, I got a lot done in a short amount of time. I just went downstairs, grabbed the vacuum, but I'm hungry. So Alexa, pause. So I am gonna make a protein shake and I think cut up an apple. So I just do Stoke cold brew iced coffee. If you guys have watched any of my videos before, I've been making my protein shakes like the same way forever. I add a dash of creamer and then I just use pure protein. I know it's not the best, but it's the one I like, and a ton of ice, and I blend it all up. And I think I'm gonna have an apple. I've got 4 apples that need to get used up in this refrigerator. It's not dirty, but it definitely needs to just get like wiped down before we put all the groceries and stuff in it. But I am gonna have that as a snack. And then let's see what we have. My kids are not cleaning their rooms and they're continuing to play and yelling at their Alexa. I actually don't need to wipe down the bathrooms because I just went in there to change out the towels. I just did the laundry and I went to take the towels that were in there because I wasn't home last night and I went to dinner with a friend. And every night, like before I put in the laundry, I'll switch out the things. And I didn't do it in the bathrooms last night, so I did it. And both the bathrooms are actually clean because I just wiped them down the other day and the kids have not made a huge mess of them. So that's one thing done on my to-do list that I didn't actually have to do. Laundry is done. Kids are, I'm gonna have to go in and take over shortly, but I'm gonna vacuum. Definitely need to mop. And then I'll probably wipe out the refrigerator and I'll end up having one of the kids come out and do the dishwasher because they need to help out. Hi, Macy. She was like a baby last night. She kept me up. Huh? Did you keep me up last night? Huh? Did you keep me up? You stinker? You stinker? Huh? She's like starting to look old in her face. She's getting gray and all white around her mouth. Huh? She's 9 years old, so. But she's a good girl. So, I'm gonna get this protein shake made. Hi. Hi. I'm gonna get this protein shake made and vacuum and start mopping because these floors, it's hard to tell, but they are filthy.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. lucky, oh, oh, oh. Still can't believe you love me.
All right, that is it for this video. I also I mopped everything. As you saw, I also mopped the bathrooms, and I also cleaned all the glass in the bathrooms as well, because that was gonna be part of my wipe down, but I didn't end up really needing to. I did clean the toilet in the guest bathroom because I put all like the mop water and stuff in there, so I wanted to clean that out. But other than that, we are done for the day. We're gonna go pick up groceries in about an hour, and I'm gonna film a meal plan and grocery haul with you guys, put all that away into all that. That is a separate video. I'm just like kind of pre-filming a little bit because we are going away next weekend, so I just wanna be ahead of the game a little bit. I'm trying to like get back on track here since we are the end of summer, unfortunately. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.